Hello neighbors and friends out there in Facebook land and YouTube land. Just want to share a little something with you. I'm Mark Du Bois at Sweet Parley Farms here in central Georgia. We're located approximately 50 miles southwest of Macon, Georgia. We're between the towns of Eastman and Cochran, Georgia, and we're right smack dab in the middle of the state. And one of the big problems we have here, particularly on this farm, is number one, we try to do everything organically. And when you're doing things organically, it presents a lot of problems because there's a lot of things that seem insurmountable without using chemicals. And one of the big problems we have is sedge grass and weeds. And for years I have looked for something that would actually kill weeds and sedge grass that was organic, that was able to be used without in any way damaging the soil or damaging your crops. One of the problems I had, particularly with the sedge grass, was finding a way to get rid of it. Well, using Roundup or 2,4-D or any of these chemical herbicides was out of the question because we try to do everything organically here, especially in the area where we grow food to eat. So I tried several things. I tried 20% hard vinegar mixed with water, tried spraying it. It turned the sedge grass yellow, but the sedge grass came back like gangbusters. I tried using a flamethrower on it. All that did was encourage it. We tried deep plowing. We tried everything we could think of. Short of pinning the whole garden area up and turning hogs loose in it, which is what the only solution anybody could give me to get rid of sedge grass. And the other thing they told me was get a bulldozer right there and bulldoze down about 2 feet deep, remove all your topsoil, and come in and dump a bunch more topsoil. Which would cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and obviously we can't do that. So I kept looking, and finally last year there came onto the market a product that was called Weed Slayer. Weed Slayer is an organic herbicide, and when I first got it, I was very skeptical because I've tried some others before, and I really didn't get any results at all. But the more I use a Weed Slayer, the more I have seen how well it works and what a good job it does and how I would like to highly recommend it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pan around here and I'm going to show you some of the areas right here in my immediate farm where I have sprayed Weed Slayer and show you exactly what it has done.